Here we got a model Frigidaire, and well, it won't drain. So I don't know, I think the best thing to do is do about a 10-minute fix, and we should be able to get her unstuck. Well, I learned over time that the old-fashioned way is the best way. Do it all natural. We're going to add some vinegar and baking soda. So I'll just get this ready. 1 cup of vinegar, and take an old dirty cup because, well, the dishwasher's not working. Add 2 6 teaspoons of baking soda. By the way, this is great for heartburns too. Very good and liquefied, sort of kind of a little pasty. Now we're gonna suck out the water. So there's a tab down below here. Oh, you gotta turn counterclockwise. It loosens it up. We'll just take out a piece, and we have. Okay, there's a dial here. Just turn it to the 12 o'clock position. Pull this out. Check for debris. Oh, you gotta suck that out. Well, you can use a towel, or I don't know, I prefer shop wet bath. While I'm doing this, I got water boiling. Well, so I got some hot water, just boiled. I'm just going to mix this up a little bit more. So I can pour it down below. This is going to create an action. I learned in school. It's kind of a volcano effect. Pour that in there, hear the fizzing. Thing of hot water. And leave it set for 10 minutes. Okay, you can turn it off.